Hi everyone. Welcome back to our Mr. English Buddy channel. I'm Jessie, and I hope you are having a fun day, a happy day, or maybe a lazy day. Lazy days are good days too.
Hello, I'm Ralph, and today I feel very excited because we are talking about something fun. Very fun. Super fun. We are talking about hobbies.
Yes, hobbies are the things you love to do in your free time. Maybe you like cooking. Maybe you like dancing. Maybe you like reading. Maybe you like sleeping. Sleeping is also a hobby, trust me.
Yes, sleeping is my favorite sport. Gold medal sleeper.
Before we start, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the little bell for more easy English lessons.
Okay, let's start our episode. Talking about hobbies in simple English.
So Ralph, what is a hobby? Let's teach simple English.
A hobby is something you do for fun, for joy, for happiness, not for money, not for work.
Yes, a hobby is your fun activity, your happy time activity, your free time activity.
Exactly. And you can say, my hobby is, my hobbies are, I enjoy, I like, I love.
Super simple English.
Okay, Jessie, what are your hobbies?
I have many hobbies. I love traveling. I enjoy taking photos. I also like reading books. And I know this sounds funny, I enjoy cleaning my home.
What? Cleaning is a hobby?
Yes, cleaning relaxes me. When my room is clean, my brain feels clean.
Wow. If cleaning is a hobby, I have zero hobbies.
Ralph, you do have hobbies. Tell everyone.
Okay, fine. My hobbies are very simple. I love cooking. I love eating. I enjoy watching movies. I also like walking in nature, but only when the weather is nice. Very nice.
Yes, if there is one tiny cloud in the sky, Ralph says, nope. Not today. Too dangerous.
Hey, clouds are scary. You never know what they are thinking.
Clouds are not thinking, Ralph.
You don't know that.
Let's share some easy hobby words for English learners.
Yes. Repeat after us.
Reading, cooking, dancing, singing, running, drawing.
Watching movies. Playing video games. Gardening. Swimming. Traveling. Eating snacks. My specialty.
Yes, Ralph is a professional snack eater. Let's give real-life examples so learners can hear natural English.
Okay, here is my story. When I was a kid, I loved cooking with my grandma. She made fresh bread every Sunday. The smell was amazing. Now cooking is still my hobby. When I cook, I feel happy and calm.
Oh, that's so sweet. Now my story. I started taking photos when I was 12. My dad gave me a small camera. I took pictures of everything: birds, trees, my cat, my own feet, many feet photos. Now photography is my favorite hobby.
You still take feet photos?
No, not anymore. Stop telling people that.
Okay. Maybe only sometimes? Some people have interesting hobbies. Weird hobbies. Strange hobbies.
Yes, like collecting stamps, collecting coins, collecting tiny spoons.
I know someone who collects rubber ducks. He has 300 rubber ducks in his house.
300 ducks.
Yes. All yellow. All smiling. Very creepy.
When you meet someone new, talking about hobbies is a great way to make friends. Very easy conversation starters. What are your hobbies? What do you like to do in your free time? I enjoy. What about you?
Yes. And you can answer like this. My hobby is cooking. My hobbies are reading and dancing. I love traveling. I enjoy watching movies.
These simple sentences help you connect with people. And maybe you find someone with the same hobby.
Yes. Friendship unlocked.
Sometimes you love a hobby, but you are not good at it. And that is okay.
Like me with dancing. I love dancing, but when I dance, I look like a confused chicken.
You do not look like a chicken.
Jessie, yes I do.
Okay, maybe a little chicken, but a cute chicken.
Now let's explain some simple English phrases from our conversation.
1. My hobby is, or my hobbies are. Use this to talk about your hobby or hobbies. Examples. My hobby is reading. My hobbies are cooking and dancing. 2. I enjoy. Use this to talk about something you like. Example. I enjoy watching movies. 3. In my free time. Use this to start talking about hobbies. Example. In my free time, I play video games. 4. What do you like to do? Ask someone about their hobbies. Example. What do you like to do on weekends? 5. I'm not good at it, but I like it. Great sentence for learners. Example. I'm not good at singing, but I like it. So today we talked about hobbies in simple English. Hobbies are important. They make your life happy. They make your life colorful. They help you relax.
And hobbies help you make new friends. So remember, my hobby is, I enjoy, in my free time.
Thank you for watching, friends. Please like the video. Please subscribe. Please comment.
And today's question is, what is your hobby? Tell us in simple English.
We will read your answers.
Okay, everyone. Go to your hobbies. Go read. Go dance. Go cook. Go sleep. My hobby.
Bye everyone. See you next time.